Very good morning to all my dear children. Let's start our English class. We are learning vowels and consonants, okay? See, you all know vowels. We already learned vowels in the last session. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So, which are the vowels? All say again. We are repeating A, E, I, O, U. So letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels and the remaining letters are called consonants. Remaining letters are called consonants. Are you clear, beta? Yes, now all take our English reader book. Take and open page number 13. Page number 13. Here you put today's date 10th August 2020 and this is our classwork CW, okay, 10/8/20 CW. See, you learned vowels and here in this activity you have to color the shapes red that have consonants in them. So here today we are doing activity related to consonants, okay. See, color the shapes red that have consonants in them. So some letters are given here. We have to find out the letters which are consonants. You know, letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the remaining all the letters are consonants. So, you have to find the letter consonant, you have to find out the consonant and you have to color it red. Okay. See, first one, A. A, vowel or consonant? Yes, it is a vowel. So, leave it. Next, M. M is a consonant. So, color red color. Okay. Color it red. Then next, Z. Z is also what? Consonant. So, you have to color in this box, in this shape, you have to color it red. Color it red. Okay. Then, next one, D. D is also consonant. So, color D also. Color D also. I am just showing, you complete it, okay, beta? D. Then J. Yes, J is also consonant. J is also consonant. Color it full. J. C. C, vowel or consonant? Consonant. Color C. Color it full. Q. Q, vowel or consonant? Consonant. So, color this rectangle also. See, letters are given in some shapes. So, you have to color that shape. Okay. Q. Color it full. U. U is a vowel. So, leave it. F. F is also a consonant. F. Find out the consonants. F. Consonant. O. O is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. O is a vowel. R. R is a consonant. So, color R. B. B is a consonant. Color B. N. N is a consonant. So, color N. So, here M consonant, Z consonant, D, J, C, color is full, okay. C, Q, Q is also a consonant, color it. U is a vowel, leave it. U, F, O, vowel, R, consonant, B, consonant, N, consonant. Are you clear, beta? Okay. Now, take page number 15. Page number 15. 14 we completed in the last session. 15. Okay. Here also you put today's date 10/8/20. 10th August 2020 and this is also our classwork. This is also classwork. Yes. Take all of you. Take a yes. Here also match the consonant sound to the picture. Circle the picture which starts with the sound of the given consonant. Some consonant letters are given and the related pictures are also given. Some pictures are also given. We have to match the consonant sound with the correct sound of the consonant. Okay. See, B, bat. Is it okay? B for bat? Yes. So circle it. You have to circle the picture with the correct consonant sound. Pen? No. Then C. C for hen? No. Cap? S. Cap. So circle cap. Okay. Then this is D. D for dog? S. Da sound. Dog. S. So circle dog. Chick? No. The next G. Which picture is this? Kite. G for kite? No. G for goat? S. G sound. G. Goat. Circle it. Circle goat. H. H for hen? Yes. Circle it. Hen. Leg? No. The next N. N for net? Yes. N for net. N. No sound. N. Monkey? No. P. P for pencil? Yes. Circle pencil. Tomato? No. R. R for lamb? No. Rat? Yes. R for rat. Circle rat. S. S for tree? No. Sun? Yes. S for sun. Circle sun. अब टीचर के साथ करके आ जाओ. V. V for van? Yes. Circle van. Circle van. Mango? No. Yes. Again, once again, listen here. B for bat. Circle bat. C for cap here. D for dog here. G for goat. Circle goat. H for hen. Circle hen. N for net. Circle net. P for pencil. R for rat. S for sun. B for van. Yes, today we had done 2 pages class of page number 30 and page number 15. In page number we had colored the letters in red color, all the consonant letters in red color, and in page number 15 we circle the pictures to the correct consonant letter. Okay? Yes. Yes, better. Now all take our cursive practice book. Open page numbers 20 and 21. So today I am giving you homework in page numbers 20 and 21. Here you put today's date, 10th August 2020, and this is your homework. 10th August 2020, and this is your homework. Okay? Yes. Draw 3 lines like this. Yes, these words also we learned earlier. Early means in the last session, I think. Which session I am not remembering. We learned it already. So here we are recapping the letters and we are writing to practice in capital and small letter. In these pages, from page number 16 onwards, we are writing by joining capital and small letters. I think all completed till page number 19. And today page number 20 and 21. See here, which word is this? N-O, no. N-O, no. See how to write no. N-O, no. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-F, off. O-F, off. O-F, off. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-R, R. O-R, R. S-O, so. Yes. O, so. T-O, to. T-O, to. W-E-V. W-E-V. U-S, us. U-S, us. Okay. Just we can recap all the 2-letter words. We completed 2-letter words. Yes, all open page number 10. Page number 10. Yes, but all say with me. am, an, as, at, at, if, is, it, in, on, or, of, be, no, me, my, he, do, to, go, so, by, us, up. The same words only we are repeating here by writing in capital and small. As now daily you have to read these words. Okay, daily you have to read these words so that you can able to spell and you can able to read 2-letter words also. Okay, we can see the next topic in the next session. Till then, bye bye.